Yanfei is here.
Ouch! 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 Ouch!
Damn! 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 Damn!
I rear-ended someone.
I can't get out.
I rely on dragging the time. I can't even make a turn downstairs at my house.
I want to turn around. You can't brake, so you're dancing on the road. This head scared me to death. A car I can't control at all.
Grandma,
what are you doing?
I've said it many times. Don't park in front of this parking space. Owners, please pay attention here. I'm a newbie. Your car is scratched. Don't come to me.
I listened for over 20 minutes without paying attention.
It's really the property management. Come and manage it. If it's like this, don't come to me for property fees.
You say like this.
Do you think it's okay? Can't park in my own parking space. I'll park on the side of the road. I'll park on the side of the road.
Don't call me.
The blue truck is driving pretty smoothly. It turned around in one go. Just then, another yellow big truck came. The blue truck stopped.
In this situation, the yellow truck should yield.
Or the blue one didn't react at all. The yellow one probably drank, or was distracted, or careless. They're both driving big trucks. Why is the skill level so different?
Somewhere in a logistics park in Chengdu. They took it all apart for me.
They said they were coming to add grease. Then they said my drive shaft bolts were loose.
They picked up a drive shaft bolt for me. Jinju smashed all my bearings.
They said my bamboo chutes were broken. Then they told me to change the main gear and replace the equipment. Not even 2 turns at the replacement. The gear casing was all taken apart for me.
After taking it apart, they knocked all this assembly to pieces.
Then he also said there was something wrong with this word. When the mechanic was there, it wouldn't turn. It wouldn't turn no matter how I tried. It could turn after he left. None of these gears were damaged. They're all good.
It's just that the bamboo chute was stuck inside. Anyway, I asked the parts seller for the materials.
The parts seller then asked me if I was repairing the car on the side of the road. Then he told me about the tricks in Chengdu. I didn't know before.
Now I know.
He demanded 500 yuan when he left.
Not a penny less. Later, I saw a guy coming over.
Without saying a word, he asked for 300 yuan and then ran off. And then he took away all my old bamboo chutes.
That's how it is now.
In Chengdu, you definitely can't have your car repaired on the roadside. Even greasing is not okay.
The tricks are too deep. These repairmen have no conscience. They mess me up like this for thousands of yuan.
It wasn't broken originally. He broke it for you. Not it broken for you.
Then asked you to replace a component for 400 or 500.
So now I have to buy the parts myself.
And then call a mechanic to put it on for me. This money was wasted.
Remember.
In Chengdu, you must not use roadside car repair. Even greasing is not okay anymore. Everyone, pay attention. These people are too bad.